was never about attention TV so. Attention, the same inspiring monty, no ma, always see a deal. And near Edema bra and so a CBA. Then again, near a how and also more solution and a little so more. That's it, and the cousin near how solution and was some yeah. Man say, a nature man, you know, a didn't yeah. It helps, and as nature ever so with big beer. Or sell what Ghana don't have say one on it, and then see distance is not a barrier. Anything we see for, and then Miss Sasso, I can nature man, naturally say. And maybe some say or call I'm on the naturally say, Ghana, how many no or net say, Brea, and another one, no, I bet there, not for any fun. And then so a son saw at the fourth floor up bar. Eventually, near Chilon, and yet this sir, and it was young for whom you might be. Mammy Cow said when Vasi Foundation, and I'm going to make what was so much number to me day episode. The number N05483029855. Attention TV, your Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, at Attention TV. G. You're buying nature man, everything. I would say try your one, yaba, and then so a day, a time with nature man. Naturally, say what the fourth floor upper, a qua would be bar, or be born in them. Naturally, say, for and so they how be. Ya baby, I do crying, ye cheer, intimate sound. For Villecot is a nature man, as I saw about humanity on Attention TV, now on Koshe, nature man. Nature man, needing any D4 Eric Apisi entry. But that God's population ministry young cop near no extra. Papa, my papa.
But you also.
You just said you are able.
Yamiado.
Radio called you back. I view, whistle, papa whistle, thing.
But I said, my witch, I'm a dog from my team for. And a Nippon Domia, almost share to be the media. Now, Mamichia, Mahima, Queen. Papa, now, Mamichia. And a quick man, I'm a teenager, so kitchen a spiritual and a balloon dress on a tear. Ah, 2 million more dear woman, as I dare to me. And only be a Kwamamia, Yama, a hintanipa, a church. We as a papa, we could share away for that in book. It's a gift from God, Almighty God. Nature man, Mammy do baby a tree. Now, Mammy Chia, Mebasolo. Or applicuma kef or yet barristers na on your mission and what they can see or the man or you'll be a cheerful giver on your mission no you can see a rade a man is a moon pepita shall you macumum and my guinea now a radicasio in energy radimia you might find for one or radima a human munuso or me to be fun in Sakra. And what is all Muslim way or didn't have a disca. Scanning Metna, the boss could not turn up for so, and can a yamma, then can I see a phone? I could see really son. My acquaintance. I was said, friend said, cashew nut. Okay, I'm off on Catty. I'm off on Catty. I have a question. So we are here. Cashew nut. Yeah. Isn't it Ghana? David. Oh, where cashew? Cashew, yeah. Where cashew? Every friend about for cat. Sir, Anna. Where Atia? May I say beans? No. David. Where Atia we know? Lady. Yeah, cashew. Drew. Cashew, I didn't send cat here. Sir, yeah. About 4 years. Your pie, Edigu, Adium. Every send cat here. Yeah, very good. Yanko. And we the tunnel. Okay. I be an soon. What do you call it? Drinks at the end. Okay. Ma, area may bring to call brown half from the idea, Omudia, cashew, pa. Omudia more at here. Omudia, not the tunnel, yet take the hat and sick cool. Now, yet the call Amanoni. Now, yet Amanoni phone so up high. No one to move him. To move traffic, may say cashew. Yeah, a way. Oh, 80 say, Saturday now, so the tunnel, I pine, yet the 2 Jama, and the church of a mark away. Cashew, and the tunnel, yet the 2 Jama, se bia we yarefo esoro wo so ya enko ne dia tujam ne dia tew ha wo se etwa pekru no wupe na esoro yare ne ko timi die ni bi no wuri twa nye blade dabi nye blade enye blade o di blade ya abudi ni pa na bia ba ko twa ni ntini sadi we ne tunu ye tujam o fire panade amake na apai amopa pepe the tuna so Nigeria for e de ye obonu soup e ma sem kuruma the tuna na enso yedi in Nigeria for e de say friend obonu soup thank you na haba enso so na eba ga na say friend atia udi wani etimet tiao etramo na we mu nyina efisu ya eno na akosia na eno so yewe abano so a eyisrade e den efiri yemu afei wa so true to the other no eno so wi a na o voice bie na kuro o mi are eyema enumtofo echise ye nyama bebre cashew ya ka people know cashew I'm talking about it okay ya gogwa we say it's talk about a lot but meaning say any nature no the spiritual side na me beka me nka physical side me ka abi na me bobo so bana so what they say and na bobo so ba na wes papa na aban so then ye won say akosia ni pedua de a ehia bambo hia yaresa we so uyo bia woni dua no ye kuskusu a fire unsu na no yes fire unua na de unsu nya dry one na osisa na de sija so na wanom na our system ema moja flesh blood
okay
ema fresh blood pa na our system no aye kama which mean 18 and to reduce cholesterol in your mind na why fine the cashew no ya dia you know it does a lot ya kasi ya can be but my punchy spiritual side no more na nipa enhu ne values na nipa enti ne echo yes akosia ya fra abo bi se ampine the broad for can say
ampine
but
come back up bed
there be but no you know we have a different type of bat we have the black one the one ampine finesse and you see a finesse mianabo was umianabo ya ne nkwan na umianabo na was nkwan epie enti ya friend mianabo na sabo ano mianabo no eye aboa esayare kase pa because mu disabia pa we
so we are
sa miana bono miana obisa na me bia obia wo spiritual attack bia was free akosia anadwo bia me won se nantwi menya spiritual attack meso dare mo amusie me pacho wo de se hwe ba bia dua we sie fanchini gu kuram kosi dua nase after 3 days okofa jabidie to ho amamre kwanso na make asa no na wakofa engineer ba fie me pa cho fadware enanso onso dai boni bia bi akosi abraboy ye woni pa bi wo ho a ye yi ahoma di nachi a ono before be di cancel submitting application sa image na ye ono adi ka akọ okwa no akọ so problem ono akọ so manager akọ no amia ene aka sisi na aba na abedi boni o se anyamia na ni pa sound obedi hu watade a wahya mfifiri abamunu fakobodue no ka kire se ya wade aba ya ofrem me na ma betudua na ofrem ma kire wo ana obeba na ma kire wo fonso komo bebre ya ne Ghana for pedodo
okay
wo Ghana wo abrochepo na wo ye we ankanya me ya na Ghana ya ana sof me asankadwa ya abroche
dabi kat me fi oba
ade hiawa yetukwan utimi beto bro nya che
papa asankadwa obi da ye obi ara
o le bedosu ni fo bebre ye me ba cho mfade tan kwa feto kese mfade tan hwenufu a ya sra homa ho ayekoko na ye pie gu ade mpa cho oje mu ati se tintin se chaloti but the cross na to so ni American say edi hu wati agosia ni American watade a wahya mfifira bam na watam na de kodua na se me pacho okwa ukita bisikoko mienu prioritya na wayi pride back 14 every prioritya na ide priority no na de kata na de abodua no wo se ya wasema abeka ho wo kasa bia wo se onipa bia ode me image kodi bone na ye kasa me ye bayfo ye kasa me nipa bone fo me kopa bibia me sanka nipa tan mani
se obekasa guso
se uye nature pi umunsu ogu nipa nani no me pa bicho nipa nam se beku no so shaw no come obeba o doorstep abepa cho se me na me yi wanim na me didi bone me na me yi wanim na me didi bone agosi awie yo obi timi fa fro no da na dwuno obi ni na bedana pow I say one ya share me no ka so bi kura de asay one ya me pacho ha pe kuko kitu ya kuko oni hukumu mo ko te mo so ntem mo sensu etene mo fa kuko no mo fa ko sidua na se mo fa ko hontem ha marachi awia pie pe na mo de bi ka ko fa abayfo pe be bia we si o
okay
edua we hwedua anya bia okobia na denden ebia pafa na denden fefe na de mko fansu oyire ne ba on fansu no miare so ye nipa wote asase su mo bayi ase ne mana bone ase ne maso ne oyire san beda bi mu a oba
bana honto
no ho ba chi no wo de mu wiam ba pai kuko no fie ne fimfim
ye chini
aba chi na gino se steam se na coins atal steam sa na be no ba de nipa de fi se wo person ho ba bia ba fo ye meeting e wo sunsum ba bia mu kwa didi a me fa chon ha ko dia wiase o kwa fa mefi anyway haban any odi aba fajatu mo ria na se na ka che nature se afefa adwemie adwe baako 14 fako fagusu ahimie yi adwe ni brafi na fagu ademisi wo mpanim anadwo sunsum no beko akogina baabi sunsum de ba nature do beko akogina na wo hwe ade obo ye nyina ba woni nyina wi a no so we anyen muno no so we ne wa na no ni kukudura yenye onye ready yenye sorry asie agojo me chani ekwe obi so di for me bank ma bobra sa sika kitam so mintimi nto asase na mesidan efini efire from me was 0553401462 o from no nyame aja message na mo tutu na bro di fu akwasi antwi temple shiadan kasia odi for mesiasi wo na bra agape na ma yemfa ade anya ade memo ko dua we ase di sika kwa ya de wo ho uwia me pa cho omo abedua e wo compound ate so na wa hwa de ibisi akoso obi se ma ko school nso ne nkrata ne fa mpa dwuma nya dwuma enkoso house ara na jo na kodua na se fatitisika kan bese ho na kodua e wo fam
titisika bia
ya na atwene wo so nye bia ne atwene wo so
tese coin
ne atwene mieni wo so na ye bono anu fako uduwa kasa e wasema be ka frem wati we ni mo nsam ne mo odududo uwi ama mo adua wo fam asa babi adua be de ndanko bia sani po ye wono obepi ama wo ho ato
nte se de chia saifo kra
de chia saifo akosia ni American sahaba we no nipa nim ni ade koye efise aso atia akotie di na to ne keke no ye to jam twa akam we twa akam Nigeria fosu ni ogbono soup
and to ne ye 19 nana
Dabi ne to no ye aba bi ti se mo mic ya e sa ne sato black.
Okay.
What did you do with the chat? Come with chat. Maybe any of the chat. Akwara ni tie peche. Wa wo na ese